A poor shoemaker and his wife lived in one of the remote countries. The shoemaker was very kind. But because he was old, he couldn't work as before. With the money they earned, they could only feed their bellies. He bought a piece of leather with the last money he had. He left the skin of his shoes on the counter because it was evening. He went to sleep. He got up early the next morning as usual. He was very surprised when he looked over the counter, because a pair of beautiful shoes were standing there. The shoes are so beautiful that a very rich person bought them. The old shoemaker took the leather to make 2 pairs of shoes with the money he earned. He left the skins on the counter again and lay down. When he woke up, he found 2 pairs of shoes. The customers who came to the shop liked the shoes very much. They gave a lot of money and bought it with the money he earned. This time he bought the leather to make 4 pairs of shoes. When she got up in the morning, the shoes were ready. Days passed like this. The old shoemaker became rich. But he wondered who did this favor to them. One day he said to his wife,
"I am very curious about who helped us. I want to thank them.
So let's hide tonight. Let's see who helped us secretly at night too,"
his wife said. That night, they left the skins on the counter again. They started waiting quietly. At midnight, the door opened. 2 little men came in. They came to the counter and made shoes made of leather. They finished their work in the morning. The old husband and wife watched them with astonishment. They thought how they would thank them. Finally, they decided to sew clothes. After a couple of nights, they put the clothes they sewed on the counter. They hid and waited for the little men to arrive. Soon the door was knocked. The dwarfs were happy to see the clothes. They jumped to the jump. But they never came again. The shoemaker and his wife were happy to think. They thanked the 2 little guys. They never forgot them.